You may recall that we were recently sent this design drawing from one of our users, and the file caused gCADPlus to crash. It's a very large file. We look at file size here, it's 30.1 megabytes in size, and for a drawing that, while complex, is not overly so, that is very, very large. But there were more problems than that. If we select a symbol, any symbol at all, and I'll zoom in and just pick one of the plant symbols, and I can select it, but if I try and copy it to the clipboard, gCADPlus says I can't write the data to the clipboard. We would normally, when examining a problem and drawing and trying to work out what's happening, we'd normally cut sections of this troublesome drawing and put it into a new one, but we can't do that here. We have a tool, and remembering that this is a drawing with base plan from an architect and our designers adding his landscape design to it, and the base plan was an AutoCAD drawing. If we go to tools, gCADPlus has a tool that checks the current drawing file to see if it's file compatible with AutoCAD. And if I click on it, it tells me immediately that the drawing cannot be saved in AutoCAD format. So there are some serious issues with it. So what I want to do now is what we've done is use our file and DXF tools. We've written out DXF file from this drawing. That's a drawing exchange file, and we've written it from this drawing and started up the Open Design Alliance tool, ODA, which can check drawings for us and can save drawings. And that's what I've been working on. Maybe we'll just go straight to the desktop and just show you the ODA file converter. So I have an input folder and an output folder, and I put into that input folder drawing exchange files, DXF files that are generated by our tool. And then I check them, and it's going to audit the drawing and look at any other folders underneath it. So we've used that extensively, and now I want to show you what we've ended up with several iterations of the drawing. Well, the first thing to note is file size. File and file size, we're down to 4.7 megabytes, down from 31. So there's a very large decrease in that.